Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you where to find the recycle bin on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So depending on the files you are looking for, this will be in two different places. So if you have deleted a file like a document or a zip file, you can go to the My Files app on your phone. Now here scroll down and you will see this trash option. Go ahead and tap on it. Here you will see all your deleted files. You can tap and hold on a file to select it. Then you can go ahead and select all the files you want to restore or delete. Then use the options at the bottom. Alternatively, you can also tap this three-dot menu at the top and select empty to delete all the files at once. Now if you are looking to restore your photos and videos, you can go to the gallery app. Here tap this three horizontal lines at the bottom. Now go ahead and tap on trash. Here you will see all the deleted photos and videos. Note that this will only show you photos from the past 30 days. After that, photos and videos automatically get deleted. Similarly, you can also click on the files to select them and then use the restore or delete options at the bottom depending on what you want to do. You can also tap this three-dot icon here and select empty to empty all the files at once. So that's about it. Hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.